This is so helpful. This is amazing.
Oh, Parker hiccups.
Good job. I've got some milk for you.
We're almost there.